Hey guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a great day. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how can you do the AI painting trend on TikTok. So just go to TikTok app. Now here you can see in the top right search bar, just click on it. Now search for AI painter. You can see in the effects AI painter, just click on AI painter. Now here you can see in the bottom use this effect, click the bottom use this effect red one. After clicking it, it will open your front camera, but you can also choose photo from a gallery. I'm choosing a photo from my gallery. So you can see after choosing a photo it is making the AI painting. Now just click on the red big button. Now click on the right side button. You can see the painting is done. Click on next. Here you can see again in the same place post button. After clicking it, it will post the AI painting video. So guys, this is how can you make the AI trend on TikTok. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.